Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triden International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft. Now you know this is our specialty, only the finest pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. Well, today I've got a pretty 1978 F33A to tell you about. If you're in the market for this model, let's take a look, see what you think. So let's talk about your engine. Teledyne Continental IO 520, 285 horsepower engine. 1750 on the engine since factory Reman. Check out your beautiful prop, only 1012 on the prop since prop overhaul. The exterior of this F33A is Matterhorn white overall with light and medium blue striping in good condition. 3,185 hours total time on the airframe since new. So we love the large cargo door that the F33 has. The useful load for this airplane, 1148. Look at this, it comes with a personalized cover and we've got sunshades. And look at this brand new carpet in 2022. So come on in, join me inside. Let's check out the interior together. It's in pretty good condition. Now the seats, these are like new. Beautiful blue and blue cloth. The carpet, brand new, September 2022. The sidewalls, the headliner, good condition. 4-place intercom system and shoulder harnesses for everyone. So let's check out your flight deck. Your #1 Navcom GPS is a Garmin 530 with WAAS. Your #2 is a King KX155 Navcom. Our transponder is a Stratus transponder with ADS-B in and out. You'll enjoy a Stormscope on board, subscription-free ADS-B traffic and weather. Edo Air Mitchell HSI. Your Autopilot is a Century Triden. It does need a new Autopilot control head and more. Other features you will appreciate: standby ADI, shoulder harnesses for 4 occupants, 3-blade prop, Beechcraft EGT, dual control wheels, brand new carpet in September 2022, mini iPad holder on the control wheel, and more. So this 1978 F33A, she's looking for a new home. Folks, no damage history. We've got the Logbooks Bonanza School. It's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to feel comfortable and be safe in your new to you F33A. Brand new carpet inside. I love the blue. Lots to love here. Give us a call. We're at Piedmont Triden International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft. We would love to meet you. Come and take a test drive. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler. Thanks so much for watching.